mangyari pag lost contact na susunog. Resolution switch 1. Kaya check lahat. 1, 2, 3 resolution panel, 4, 5. Check lahat para maiwasan yung sunog kasi naglo-lost contact. Walang disconnect switch para sa kiddie pool heater. Ito yung pangalawa, jacuzzi heater. Pangatlong disconnect switch, swimming pool heater number 3. Pangapat na disconnect switch, swimming pool heater number 1. Panglimang disconnect switch, swimming pool heater number 2. 400 volts, 15 kilowatts, 150 kilowatts, 200 amperes, 3 volts. Yan po yung trabaho natin.